my babes, I'm Unique D and I am so happy you are here with me. Done with Vlogmas. I'm so relieved, y'all, but it's Tuesday. I'm right back to work, right back to work. We had Grinchmas last night at my mom's house and it was great. She was supposed to do a brunch, but she ended up doing a dinner. So we were there pretty late, so I'm still kind of tired from yesterday, but gotta dive right into it. She got Grinch PJs, she got socks, she got Grinch. Look at this, how cute. Grinch Rubik's Cubes, Grinch water bottles. I'm taking one of those. Ooh, candy, oranges, Grinch cups, how cute. I think she made some lasagna. Let me see. Yep, so I'm about to dig into that. And we're about to watch some movies. Watching The Grinch right now. We down in my mom's basement, but she got decor everywhere. Got gift bags. Coffee is on my mind. It is 9:45 and I still have not made my coffee, but I gotta run and get some packages that were left over the weekend, but they're in one of those like parcel lock boxes, almost like the Amazon lock boxes. So gotta grab that and then I'm going to get me some coffee. Gym is over here, but it is closed. Well, I'm assuming it's closed. Oh, the lights just came on. So it's not closed, but apparently nobody's in here if the light just came on. But it is the end of December, so y'all know. I'm trying not to wait until January 1 to decide it's time for me to get my butt back in the gym, but yeah, y'all already know it's New Year's resolution time, so getting back in shape is back in shape. When was the last time I was in shape? But getting in shape is going to be priority for sure. And I think I'm going to actually start working either today or tomorrow on my, goals and stuff for 2024. Getting some stuff written down, getting some budgets together, getting some like personal stuff that I want to improve on together and just putting it into words. So I don't want to wait. I only got a couple days, but I don't want to wait too late in the week. So I think I may start working on that today. These are the lock boxes. Is this B? I don't know which one is B and which one is A. All right, there we go. This is B, where I need to be. Where is it at? Where is it at? Oh, there it is. Got one more. I got another one. Let's see. All right, where's this one? Oh, there it is. It's kind of gloomy out today. It's warm though. It's in the upper 50s, I think. I was looking at my fingers pressing those buttons, and I need to go upstairs and get some cuticle oil on because they're looking a little dry. We were all out of hazelnuts, so I had to replace this. Time for coffee. I'm happy now. This shea butter right here from Bath and Body Works and the paraffin treatment are the best little hand creams, in my opinion, that they have. and I was gonna step out for lunch because I left my coat in the car, and I don't feel like running all the way to the garage to go get it when the restaurant is like literally right across the street. Hello. Right out these doors. I hate touching these doors. And it's right there where that artwork is. Oh my gosh. Crazy time of day. People are freaking lunatics. So this guy is like, regardless if the light is green or not, if you're in the crosswalk, they're supposed to stop. I don't know where he think he at. That is not the law. It is actually not that cold out here at all. Like I said earlier, it's probably like upper 50s, and it's windy. You can hear the wind, but it feels really good. They changed this artwork out right here. I'm so sorry guys for the wind, but they changed this artwork out right here a couple times throughout the year. I want to say quarterly, but it may even be more frequent than that. They may change it every month, to be honest. I'm getting New Year vibes. It's still December, but I'm getting those, getting ready to go into a New Year vibes, and I love it. The skating rink is still here, and people are out enjoying it. It's like, it's a little bit watery, but it's not bad to where you can't skate. Candy Cane Lane advertisement. Did you guys see that movie? I saw Candy Cane Lane. It was really cute. I liked it. Everybody over there skating is smart enough to have coats and gloves on, and I'm out here crazy. That episode of SpongeBob when Squidward was like, why do today what you can put off until tomorrow? But we're not doing that in 2024. We are getting stuff done. This is massive. It was supposed to be $13. I had $5 off, so I got it for $8. And I got like those big chunks, that's all tuna, beets, corn, and naan bread. We'll start the intermittent fasting next week. But honestly, I do really want to get back into it. And I got a LaCroix. But my energy level was really so much higher when I was fasting. I gotta just condition myself to get back into it. But right now, I'm gonna enjoy this bowl. Morning, babes. It is a new day, and I actually want to wrap this video up with some thoughts that I wrote down yesterday. I'm gonna be doing some more writing today, but I kind of came to the conclusion that I really need to zero in on preparing for my success, because I think I plan for a lot of things, but I don't mentally prepare myself to accept when I reach those goals or when I hit those points in my life. And I really want to be prepared to be in a better place in 2024. And that's with a lot of things. Have you ever taken a look at where you are now and then it just hits you like, wait a minute, I asked for this. Like, I'm somewhere that I kept saying I wanted to be. And we don't sit in that moment and really like appreciate our accomplishments, because now we're already on to the next goal, and we never really get to enjoy the fruits of our labor a lot of times. And I know it sounds so cliche, it sounds so simple, it sounds so like, duh, you accomplished something, appreciate it. But how often do we clap for somebody else and we don't clap for ourselves? Like, for example, I'm getting ready to complete this course with tech, and when I'm done, I have to be prepared to accept that success for myself. I did this. I accomplished this. I am now a more knowledgeable, more credible person, as opposed to saying, okay, now I got this certification under my belt. Now what? What am I really going to do with it? I have to prepare myself for that success so that I make it count, that I'm really relishing in my own accomplishments. Because we hit milestones and then we look at somebody else and say, okay, their milestone was here, my milestone was here. So do I really clap for myself, or do I wait until I get here? We clapping right now all year, and then we clapping here, and then we clapping here, and we are preparing ourselves for those successes, and we are going to really be in that moment of success this year, all year. Claiming it, that's it. And we're going to keep climbing. But we're going to acknowledge those steps. So I guess that's really all I wanted to make a point about in this video. More to come. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.